Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some baby back ribs in the air fryer oven. I have some pork baby back ribs here. I had the whole rack. I've been cooking a few of them at a time, just trying different oven settings and seasonings to see what worked the best. So what I've been doing is just cutting them into individual ribs like this and doing them that way. I'm going to season these with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I did them this way last night, not that they were good. Then I'm going to cook them in the 10-inch cast iron skillet, but you can just use your baking tray if you want. I guess you could do these in the air fryer basket too, but I haven't tried that. Anyway, we'll get them in there. And I have the oven set to air fry at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's set for 20 minutes. It's been 17 minutes, and I can see these through the glass. I think they're probably done. I want to dry them out. Yeah, those look good. I didn't turn these over. The other ones I cooked I did, but I don't know if it was really necessary. So let's see what the bottom looks like. Those look good. See, the cast iron holds the heat, so the bottom cooked fine. Let me try just pulling a piece off of here. I have trouble biting ribs because they hurt my teeth. So, just pull a piece off like that. It looks nice and moist. Let's try it. These are good. They're better than the last ones I cooked on my Weber kettle. See what Annie thinks. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. Well, that was easy, and they were good. 17-minute ribs, you can't complain about that. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.